Hi students. Today we are going to start the second lesson of our English textbook, Mina and the Dinosaurs. Dear children, has anyone in this world ever seen a real live dinosaur? Of course no. Why? We know that dinosaurs lived so long ago that human being has ever seen a live one. This means that we have to guess or make theories about what dinosaurs looked like and how they behaved. The scientists who study about dinosaurs are called paleontologists. These paleontologists make theories about dinosaurs using clues. Where can you see dinosaur skeleton and models? Yes, in a museum. We can see dinosaur fossils in a museum. Fossils of dinosaurs include their bones, footprints, teeth, and even dinosaur eggs. Have you ever seen dinosaur movies like Jurassic Park and Jurassic World? It is so interesting. Now let's watch the video of dinosaurs.
Going to talk about some animals that existed 65 million years ago. I am sure you have heard about the dinosaurs, and I'm certain you have seen them in many films and cartoons featuring dinosaurs. But not everything that is told in these films is correct. So if you don't mind, let's find out what they are really like and how they lived. The first thing we need to understand is that people and dinosaurs never lived together. The dinosaurs lived before human beings existed, and they roamed the earth for approximately 135 million years. That's a really long time. They were the dominating vertebrates. Nowadays, more than 500 different species have been identified, thanks to bones and fossils found. All dinosaurs were oviparous, meaning they reproduced by laying eggs. But there were huge differences between them. Some were very small, while others were absolutely enormous. So as to learn about them better, we have divided them into two major groups, Ornithischia and Saurischia. What complicated names they have! The Ornithischia, or bird-hipped dinosaurs, were herbivore, which means they only ate plants. The most well-known was the Triceratops. They were impressive, huh? The Saurischia, or lizard-hipped dinosaurs, were the ancestors of the crocodiles and lizards. Among these species, they were carnivores and herbivores, and with them then, the two most famous dinosaurs, the Diplodocus and the Tyrannosaurus. The Diplodocus was the largest dinosaur. In 1907, an entire skeleton was found, measuring 27 meters. Although remains of these specimens have been found exceeding 50 meters. In these images, you can observe just how enormous they were. The Tyrannosaurus was and still is the most fearsome predator which has ever existed on our planet. It was more than 4 meters high and could be up to 12 meters in length. In its mouth, it had 60 razor-sharp pointed teeth, and it could run 65 kilometers per hour. The truth is, I would be absolutely petrified if I would come across such an animal. But wait a minute. How is it possible that such large and powerful animals completely disappeared off the face of the earth? Currently, the investigators are focusing on two big theories. The first is based on the impact of an asteroid or comet from outer space. The other theory maintains that the cause of the dinosaurs' disappearance was due to a period of enormous volcanic activity. We actually still don't really know the truth. But what we do know with absolute certainty is that right now, at this very moment, there are still many animals in great danger of being extinct and could even disappear. All of us can help them survive. How? By respecting nature, recycling, contaminating the least bit possible, buying only what we really need. If we make these efforts, we will be able to live in a much healthier planet. And we, at the same time, will be ensuring that no animal, not a single one, will ever be in danger of extinction again. Let's hope with everybody's help.
Now let's move on to the lesson, Mina and the Dinosaurs. Here are the new words: pleaded, requested, shimmered, shone, hind feet, the legs of an animal which are at the back, monstrous, so big that they are frightening, awkwardly, roughly, sapling, a small young tree. Here are the names of different types of dinosaurs: Indominus rex, Tyrannosaurus, Velociraptor, Stegosaurus, Pterodactyl, Iguanodons. So, now I am going to tell the summary of the lesson, Mina and the Dinosaurs. As I have told you, this is a story about Mina and dinosaur types. Mina was a small girl and she was very much excited to watch the movie Jurassic World with her mother. She was much awaited and enthusiastic to know more about the big creatures which lived millions of years ago. She was very much engrossed in seeing the movie that even did not ask for the popcorn or the cool drinks during the movie. She enjoyed the movie very much. When she and her mother returned home, she described everything to her grandmother. But to her surprise, her grandma also was reading a book related to the dinosaurs. She came to know that her mother and grandmother had gone to watch movie Jurassic Park many years ago. She said to her grandmother that she wanted to make a chart about dinosaurs and wanted to present in the science exhibition. So, Mina said, "Please, Grandma, tell me each and everything about the dinosaurs, its families, and their types." Grandma said that she will explain whatever she wanted to know about dinosaur and asked Mina to sit quietly until Grandma finished reading the book. But grandmother knew that her little granddaughter would have more questions about the fascinating animal. After some time, Mina asked grandmother whether all dinosaurs are so huge. Grandmother said yes. And suddenly, Mina realized that Grandma was reading a book named The Lost World written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, which is also her mother's favorite book. Mina asked, "Is it Indominus Rex? And did the author Sir Arthur meet real dinosaurs?" Grandma said, "No, it is only a story, and in that story, some people met dinosaurs, and they did not meet Indominus Rex, but they do talk about some other Jurassic animals like Stegosaurus and Pterodactyl. Mina asked whether that animals lived in Jurassic Park. Grandma said, Jurassic is the name of a certain period million years ago. And then Grandma said Mina about what the book contained. Professor Challenger and his three friends went to South America to find whether dinosaurs were still alive. They saw a family about 5 dinosaurs which contained 3 young ones and 2 adults. They were huge that even the babies were big as elephants. They had skin like a color of lizard. They had powerful tails and huge hind feet. They had 3 toes on their hind feet and 5 fingers on their front feet. With their small front feet, they pulled down the branches of the trees. They looked like monstrous kangaroos. The little one played with their parents. The parents were endlessly strong that when one of them could not reach a bunch of leaves on a big tree, it tore down the tree as if it had been a sapling. Mina was very much interested to listen the whole story of the lost world. By that time, mother came with the tea for them. Mina told her mother, I know where I must go for collecting more and more information about dinosaurs for the science project. Mother replied, we need to go to watch the movie Jurassic Park for that. Mina said, no ma, there we can get more information. For that, we should go to South America. So children, this is the end of the story Mina and the dinosaurs. Hope all of you understood well. Thank you.